everyone, author Kerry Evelyn here for today's Motivational Minute, and I'm going to tell you something today that's going to blow your mind. You know your to-do list? It causes you stress and strife and makes you feel guilty and not enough. Get rid of it. Throw it away. Because you know what? You don't need a to-do list. You need a map, your Mundane Action Plan. Every day you make it, it's your task list, and then you do 3 things with it just like you do with all other clutter. You throw some of it away, you put some of it away, and you give some of it away. All right, so let's talk about throwing it away. Okay, anything on there that doesn't need to be done, that's just there to cause you stress, get rid of it, throw it away, toss it. Give it away, delegate. Can your kids do their own laundry? If they're 5 or above, they certainly can. I taught mine. Can your husband make dinner one night when you're running late? He certainly can. Make him do it. Train him well. And the last thing is put it away. You've got a calendar. You've got one on your phone, or maybe you have a spiral bound you bring with you everywhere. Take those tasks that you need to get done and calendarize them. That's the word, calendarize. Put it in the calendar, assign it a spot, just like you would bring something home and put it on a shelf or in a drawer. Make sure your thing that you need to do is in a spot, and then you have your map, your Mundane Action Plan. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Get your stuff on your calendar and have a wonderful, wonderful time writing.